What's up, guys? Good morning. Hope you're having a great morning so far. It is 5:51 a.m. I'm here this morning to bring you another video, but in today's video, we're actually going to talk about X, Y, O. Now, if you remember, and you've been with me for a little bit of time, last time we took XYO was over here. We started buying it, right, at 0.005, 0.006. I think, again, at 0.007, and it ran all the way up to about 4.4, which was a amazing return. So I believe XYO is going to have another run very soon, kind of like what it did back in November of 2024. And in today's video, I'm going to break that down. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. Doing more research after watching this video, but let's get right into it, guys. So the first thing I want to share with you is the MACD. Okay. So last time we started to cross like this was we actually crossed back in September of 2024. So the MACD crossed, and when you buy before the cross is typically the best, but you can also wait till after the cross. But if you bought on this U shape right here, this is what I teach in my Patreon, by the way. Link is down below if you want more access to more of this kind of stuff. If you buy down here at 0.004, let's just say, when it makes the U shape, and then it crosses, you can see it went up, and it went to 0.007. So you would have almost doubled your money. Then it comes back down. Typically after a MACD cross, it comes back down. It consolidates, it coils up, and then it runs up. Okay. Well, right now we had that U shape again right here. My mouse is. You can see we're starting to cross. Okay, we actually did cross a couple times. Rejected this little wedge pattern. I'll show you in a minute. And now the blue line is above the red again. Okay, so I really do believe this is going to have a massive run. I'm going to give you my price targets in a second, but I just wanted you to understand that simple thing at first is the MACD. Okay, now we look at the RSI. We see the RSI is just coiling up. We are trading at 47 right now. We're not overbought. We're not extremely oversold. XYO likes to pump though, right? So you want to look typically over 70 is an overbought level. Okay, you can see all these pumps right here. I'm expecting us to have another massive run, especially as the Bitcoin dominance comes down. And I recently just bought into XYO yesterday and let members know about it. So then we have a stochastic cross right here too, which is a great sign. So we have three positive signs, which I like if I'm going to be buying a crypto. Now that we understand that, let's get rid of this and let's just look at the charts. So if I take a Fibonacci from this old high right here and I bring it all the way to the low of whatever that was, what was that? That was 0.00331, right? You could see we ran up. We got this wick up to the 618 literally perfectly, like literally touched it, guys. Rejected. Okay. 618, typically it rejects. Came back down, but then the pump continued on for another week. This run actually was 1, 2, 3, about 4 weeks is what you get. 3 to 4 weeks in this run. Lining up pretty perfectly with where the Bitcoin dominance is right now and potential, well, the rate cut is happening, but we'll see what happens over the next month now. They haven't done a rate cut in a very long time. So looking at Fibonacci, you can see that we have extended just past the 2.618 level. Okay. So you could say this is 3791. So the next area I'd be looking for is a full Fibonacci retracement from that zone being about 0.05916. Okay. But it gets better. So notice how this high to this low got us all the way to 2.618 level. And notice how we were coiling up here, right? Notice how we're coiling up here, right? We're making higher lows consistently for XYO, which is great. So I did the same thing. Took Fibonacci from this high wick, brought it all the way to the low of about 0.07 something. And now I'm expecting us definitely to get up here, the 618 level, which would be about 3 pennies. So that'd be good. But I'm looking for anywhere from 5.9 full Fibonacci retracement to the 1.618 level. which would be 6.7. Let's just call it 6.5 cents. Okay, right now XYO trades at a penny. So a little over 600% return. Now, as we end today's video, what if just how this ran up and got to the 2.618 level, what if this runs up and gets to the 2.68 level? What price target would that be? So that price target would be 10 cents. Okay. It'd be a 1,000% return for XYO. Is it possible? I'm going to say yes for this reason only, basically. The market cap is under $150 million market cap right now for XYO. So if you do 150 million times 10, that gets us over a little over $1 billion, right? Definitely possible. Okay, the tokenomics are also great. If this gets any piece of news, it's going to really get it to go. But also, I'm more charts over news. I like this setup. It's coiling up. It's going to have a massive move here very soon. And I like the consistent higher lows that you see have been forming since September 2024 for the last year. I mean, really from back here, it's just been going up and trending higher. So I bought back in yesterday. And we'll see how it works. All right, guys. So with that, hope you have a great day. Don't forget to drop a like so more people can see this, especially if you're into XYO. And we'll see you on the next one.